I'm about to give you early access to our new family home build. Come inside. Now we have 4.5 metre ceilings on our entry level, and it turns out if you have super high ceilings, there's not that many options when it comes to window covering. So thank God Luxaflex actually did have great options available. So I was thinking, is this room going to feel comfortable enough to lounge around as a family or spend our evenings in here? And I really just think that the sheer curtains help to relax this space. Now, if you follow me through here, we have a guest bedroom, which was really important for us to include for family and friends to stay. Now, in the front living room, we have the wainscoting detail, which we don't have in here, but we've got one window facing the front of the home and one towards our neighbours. And where we settled, I think it was the perfect choice. So we added in a curved curtain track, which has these sheer curtains going around the curve, and it just creates such a dreamy, beautiful space. But then also for functionality, there's a block out roller blind that can come down and block out the light. Now I'm going to take you down and show you the main part of our home. We've sectioned each of these areas, so we've got our living area, our dining area, and our kitchen where we spend most of the time. Now with so many meters of curtains all around this room with the large windows, this has been a game changer. Watch this. Now the curtains just open with a touch of a button, which is so handy to have, and I've actually created a schedule. So every morning when we wake up, all the curtains are already open, and in the evenings they close on their own as well. Now let me tell you, the secret to a clean and tidy home is making sure that the kids have their own space. Now for the windows on either side, what I chose are the pirouettes, which gives this beautiful soft shutter look. Now they let in natural light with the light filtering fabric, but then also can be room darkening when I need it. And one of the best parts was that I could choose a fabric that was cohesive to the space, that could match in really well with the walls and the cabinetry and the floors, as well as the other window coverings in the home. Now this is where we have our family movie nights. And you might think that I've just chosen sheers all through the house, which isn't true, because for this room, I've chosen a block out curtain, which just wraps so beautifully all around the room, just to give a nice cinema type feel. What I like most about these block out curtains is they still have that soft linen look that gives a luxurious touch to the room without being too heavy. Now this is my bedroom, where it was really important to get the window coverings right. Now we have such a large window across this wall just to take in the view, and we've added in louver windows, which made it a bit tricky to try and think about what window covering would really suit this space. And I'm so glad we went with the luminettes. Now the fact that these window coverings are a 2-in-1 was just perfect for this space. You can open them up to enjoy the view. They can become light filtering, or with a press of a button, they become room darkening. It was just perfect for this space. Now for the kids' bedrooms, it was really important to have functionality in the window coverings, but still make sure that they're aesthetic as well. So the win-win for me was that we were able to put in this soft shade Roman blind in this beautiful light linen fabric, which can filter out the light, and then it can be also pulled up and sit nicely on top of the window as well. Now for our home office, as you can see, we've got large windows which look out onto the view, and the duets were the perfect window covering solution for this room. Now the duets are so easy to control and adjust. If you don't want them to open from the top, it's so simple. You can open them from the bottom as well.